Deere 7710 front wheel assist. This has the 4 ranges, gear, plus 4 on the go. The motor, it just came out of the field on the planter. The motor was not power washed and stays that clean with no noticeable leaks anywhere as we walk around the front end. So front wheel assist. It also has the joystick control in the cab, 4 with the remotes for the loader out front. The joystick, and that stays with it. The triple remotes in the back. Quick hitch stays with the tractor. Triple remotes. The 4th one, that's for planter return, is that right?
Yep. K-string. That's what it is.
Okay, strains, okay.